Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. As you can see in front of you, that is the Dynam C-47 cargo plane. Right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. And yeah, I haven't flown this plane in forever. She's actually been in my to be repaired Mothball fleet for quite a while, and I finally got her out and said, well, you know what, I think I'll get her out and give her a shot and put her back together. Fixed a few things. She's got counter rotating props, they rotate inward, and she's 3-cell, got a 2200 China Hobby 3-cell in her. Now this plane here, you want to stay on that rudder, and she doesn't, what am I going to say? She has a little bit of a, I guess you could say, a torque roll. Yeah, she's really out of trim. Yeah, a little bit better there. Sorry if I'm a little high. But wind today is a real issue, so making it landing going to be interesting. There, not too bad. She got pretty good ground handling, even though she's a tail dragger. All right, good, looks good. Anyways, you want to get her going, stay on that rudder, because she will want to go off to one side on you, like you can see she was doing there. Yeah, I'm actually kind of having to hold a little bit down elevator. She's wanting to climb on me. And I got the battery as far forward as I can get it. Flying pretty good now. I do like those invasion stripes. They do help with orientation. Well, she will slow right down. Well, she will. She will slow right down for you. I was thinking I was coming in too hot and too high, but, well, she slows right down.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
See how she wants to dip off to the right side there? You gotta have a little bit of a left elevator or left rudder to counteract that. Just didn't have enough. Good flying plane though. I just need to get her trimmed. This is such a windy day, it's hard to tell what a plane truly is doing whenever it's so windy. Yeah. I'm running an AR-410 and 10-less receiver in her. I mean, she is, after all, just a 4-channel plane. Doesn't have flaps or anything like that. Whoa. Yeah, I put a little more left rudder there, and she didn't pull off so bad to the right. But she definitely has a tendency to want to go off to the right there. Well, let's see how she's doing grass. Not bad. Yeah, I think a lot of that also is the way the wind's going today. This is a Dynam plane, so that in itself should be a description. Dynam planes are just, well, they're Dynam planes. Sometimes they fly amazing. That was probably the most perfect landing I've had in a long time. Sometimes the Dynam, I'm talking trash, and sometimes the Dynam plane can fly, be the best plane you've ever had. It goes together perfectly and
Time remaining 1 minute.
flies amazingly. Other times it fights you tooth and nail, both in assembly and flying and trim, and you never know from one plane to the next how the Dynam plane is going to act. You just don't know. It's hard to say with Dynams. It really is. Of course, look at them. Look at the flags in the wind. Today's a bad day to maiden or remaiden or trim a plane. I think we can do one more though. Have my timer set for 5 minutes. So landing into the wind, so that helps. I'll take it.
30 seconds.
Oh, come. It wants to take off again. All right, let's get her back down here. All right, well folks, there you go. That's the Dynam C47. And what do you want to hear before you touch a plane?
Motor off.
Motor off. Good flying plane. I'm thinking she would fly a whole lot better if it wasn't so gosh darn windy out here. That is not the stock motors or props. I long since got rid of the Dynam motors that was in it. I want to say these are 1200 kV, and I got them spinning inwards with one prop obviously being reversed, and stable. Just trying to get her to fly on a nice calm day. It'd probably be a lot better. All right folks, that's the remaiden on the Dynam C47. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Fat Guy Flies RC saying see you later and God bless.